Welcome to Mahalaya e-learning. This is Soumya here. Today we are going to see Introduction to C++ Programming. First, let us know what is the purpose of a language. A language is used as a communication medium to express their thoughts from one to another. The same way, the programming language is also used to communicate with the computer. You have three levels of programming language, that is machine level, assembly level, and high level. In machine level language, we have used only zeros and ones for the communication. So that is zeros and ones are used as a data. And then in assembly level language, only symbolic instructions have been used. It may be any letters or anything else. And then in high level language, they have used English or any other languages. For example, Fortran, COBOL, C, C++, Java, etc. So here we are going to see one of the high level language, that is C++ programming. That is one of the most popular programming language. So you may have question why it is most popular. The answer is nothing else. It is an object oriented programming language. Now let us see who and how C++ is developed. C++ was developed by Johnny Stroudstrup at AT and T Bell Laboratories in the year 1979. It was referred as New C and C with classes. In the year 1983, the name was changed as C++ by Rick Macetis, and it was standardized by ISO, that is International Organization for Standardization. Benefits of C++ programming. C++ is a highly portable language, that is you can port from one platform to the another platform. It includes the concepts such as classes, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, and encapsulation. Here you have rich function library to develop C++ program. So this is what the introduction for C++ programming. And here you have an interesting fact for today. Everyone knows who is the father of the computer. That is Charles Babbage. But do you know who is the mother of the computer? Okay, I have answer for this question. She is Ada Lovelace. She is the first programmer to write a programming language for a computer using algorithms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.